You're so high above the clouds, an aeroplane might knock you out. You can't even see the ground. Will you ever come back down? You're so high, if a tear fell from your eye, it would evaporate before it hit the ground. Da 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 da. Sun and moon, a cloud it would create. The cloud would travel like a ghost train and settle down in the form of rain on the streets and evaporate again. Evaporate again. Da da da.